Arsenal's stars kept warm as they trained at their chilly London Colney base on Saturday afternoon, ahead of their upcoming Premier League clash with Burnley at Turf Moor. Out-of-contract duo. Wilshere, the midfielder, is out of contract in the summer and has yet to start a league game this season. Despite impressing in the Europa League and Carabao Cup, "We have got a month until then, and me and the boss will probably have a conversation before then and see what happens, because obviously when January comes I have only got 6 months left on my contract," the Arsenal boss was. Arsenal are looking to bounce back from a disappointing result last time out, which saw them lose 1-0 in the Europa League against Cologne on Thursday. The manager will have almost a full-strength squad to choose from against Burnley, with Danny Welbeck in contention, having recovered from recent groin problems.